Alright, today I wanted to make me a panini. And I bought this from Aldi's and looked on the back. Now on the back it has a nice recipe. I do not have all these things that they're asking to put in a sandwich, but I'm going to use what I got. So, it's calling for the bread, which you see that. It is pesto, tomato pesto, chicken, and Parmesan shaved cheese, and pine nuts and arugula. Let me tell you what I have. It's just a regular bag grilled chicken. I got some pesto, but it's not tomato and whatever. But anyway, this pesto is what I like. And pine nuts, nope, don't have it. I'm using mixed nuts. I crushed them. I'm using a little bit of garlic on the chicken, some seasoning, and just some lettuce that I had already. The baby butter lettuce, whatever you want to call it. And some pepper jack cheese and some provolone. Alright, here we go. It's really good with grilled chicken. Take a little pesto according to the directions, like I said. Provolone. Alright, on to the stove. Wow. My panini is huge. Wow. It's very good. And today, I'm going to pair it with a cup of broccoli soup. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. I am. Bye.